Hello my friends! Welcome to my new video. In this video I will print the Pokémon Lucario with my 3D pen. This is for the second winner of my giveaway. Check out my Instagram, link is in the description box. What do you want to see next? Let me know in the comments. 9 hours in 10 minutes. Don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Support me by subscribe. And now enjoy the video.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Driving round with my baby, top drops and raindrops. Motion got me all faded, my heart got me going all crazy, and I won't be walking away, yeah. Like New York in the sunshine, I'm a fool, yeah. I got love blind, and ooh, yeah. Got my heart out, and it's covered in gold. Like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah. Cause you know it's good, oh baby. We'll never get old. Going on, I'll be there in a heartbeat. Tell me your favorite song, I'll put it on repeat. I could wait for you forever, through the storms or any weather. Yeah, you're like